Alright, so this is done.
I need you to teach me how to put a limit order on a specific spot. Just like you, when it hits that spot, it buys in and shoots up. And I buy on the bottom, buy market.
Yeah.
Guten Martin فتح الماركت.
Guten Martin.
وين هالشعب اللي بالجروب؟ بطل معانا حد.
Who knows, man? Who knows, sir? Alright, what happened here now? Whoa, what's this big hulky candle?
يلا محضرة اللابتوب.
Oh, Camila, Didi.
I should teach her how to log into Thinkorswim.
Yes, and put on a trade.
Yes.
Yes. So she can do that for you on the way back from the gym.
I call it go long now
Yes.
and go short now.
Yes. Do it.
June 12th.
Mm.
Okay. هذا ايش في كونتراكت رخيص. خلص.
All right. So, like I said, so let's talk about this real quick, right? Daily, we have this outside bar yesterday. Overnight, we broke high a day and we rejected. The 4 hour is just consolidating. It's inside that previous candle range. Don't really see much. I'm waiting, right? 15-minute in a downtrend. 5-minute just did that trap. See how it broke that lower high, and anyway, we'll see if we go lower. Or are we gonna hold? We have news at 10 o'clock as well. So, yeah, I'm just watching. I want to see what we're gonna do first once we kind of either crack this 4 hour low. So I'm just watching here for now.
I think we're going to pre-market high.
You mean pre-market low?
Pre-market low, sorry.
Yeah. I mean, I would like I said, the 4 hours in an uptrend. Um, so we'll see. I ain't gonna wait. Everything else is in a downtrend. 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. So I'm gonna be watching here, see what's gonna happen here now. Strong push down at open. 4 hour inside previous range. And time frame downtrend range, right? That's what the medium time frame is. Lower time frame in the downtrend. So, in a perfect world, break the 4 hour low and hold to go long, or break the 4 hour low and reject to go short. That's the dream world. Other than that, we're just watching for now. Okay. All right. I like this failure to go lower here. Watching what we're going to do to this 15-minute low. Again, everything is in a downtrend. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30. Um, 29, 493. Okay, so that's right there. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
The reason why I like this entry long here is because we pushed down, we failed to go lower, we got back over the hourly low, still rejecting that 15-minute low, so that's why I'm a little, but again, this is like a super, 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 super early entry. Again, because if I'm wrong, I'm going to find out right away. If we break that candle high and reject, and we're failing. So
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
we in, baby. Let's see if we can get to this 15-minute high. If we get back below this 15-minute low and the candle looks like it's going to reject, I'm just going to get out, okay?
Okay.
And new 5-minute candle. So that 5-minute candle was an inside bar. So now the 2-minute is going to give us clues if this inside bar is going to trigger a continued pullback or is going to play out as a trap and we continue to the downside. All right, I'm going break even because I'm not trying to mess around and find out. If we continue higher, great. Up. What just happened there?
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Oh, okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
What did I just lose now? Okay, 700. Not bad. I don't know what just happened, but okay.
Karoma, I took shorts.
Mm.
Only two contracts. I made 129.
Let's go.
It was a quick scalp.
Yeah, I'm not sure what was that all about. That was, I don't know. But anyway. Win some and lose some. Well, as I was saying, the 2-minute will let us know if this inside bar on the 5-minute going to play out or fail. And it's playing out. All right, here's the moment of truth here. That 4-hour lows right there. So if we trigger that, it should trigger a pullback on the 4-hour. We got a new 50-minute candle in a minute and 30 seconds. I would like,
Pre-market low.
yeah, that's why I would like a failure to go lower right there, and then we can pew, pew, pew. Well, anyway, we'll see.
It's already doing the pew pew now.
Get pew, pew already, right? I wanted to break lower first, though. But
Yeah, fake breakdown.
yeah. Anyway, just watching here. Got 40 seconds for that new candle. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You see, the crazy part is I moved my stop to break even, but that volatility was so strong, I still lost $700. You see that?
It dragged your stop.
Yeah, crazy, right?
Yeah, it was in 1 second.
Yep. All right, new 15. Come on, break lower first, girlfriend.
A break lower, then a break higher, then hold.
Yeah.
That is what we want to see.
Yeah. Shit, I don't want to see this just flip like that, man. I think it wants to.
Order submitted.
I got a order long right there on top of that candle high. I would like a break lower first, but
Roma, why you're not waiting for confirmation?
because so my thought process is, like I said, the 4 hour is still an uptrend, right? So in my head, I'm looking at yesterday's outside bar as a bullish sign. But we did break above that high and we failed to continue. So that's also, a clue that, maybe we're weak. But then we got SpaceX IPO. We got just a lot of BS today, And that Trump news yesterday, or tweet or whatever midday. So, longs don't seem bad right now. And, we've been going up since breaking that low yesterday. And you know what I'm saying? So, to me right now is like we're in that pull phase. Like let's say if we're like in a downtrend. So like we're in that pull phase of that downtrend. I would like to see another test of this 29,750 or something like that. But we'll see what the chart going to tell us to do. Or we'll see what the chart going to do.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's
Order
go.
submitted.
Yeah, but it seems like a very
Weak volume?
it feels very sluggish today. Like the way price is moving back and forth, like you see how it's like,
Yeah, it's not showing strength to the top.
Yeah. So we'll see. Hand on the trigger, ready to exit. But this is what I originally wanted, right? The 4 hour low break and then recover. So I'm just sticking to my plan. All right, we got an inside bar here. break the high. Come on, man. Really, bruh? I'm gonna add one more.
Order submitted.
Let's sell one here.
Order submitted.
All right. All right. Okay, I understand. We're gonna get out. Hold on. We're gonna get out. Don't worry. Watching closely here to see if I'm gonna get out or not.
We're still holding.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm watching this low here. Right. It doesn't look like this bounce is going to survive.
You got it, Karim. That's it.
Let's see what happens. You don't know yet.
I missed the entry at the bounce, unless I get another one. This should be it.
I'm debating on getting out, but we got this double inside bar here. So might just get out here. This doesn't look promising. How's the 5 minute look again? Okay, let's see if we trigger that 5 minute pullback and fail. Let's see. I'll be watching for that. So what are you doing? You don't got enough juice after sweeping that pre-market low? Go to Morgan. What are you doing, bro? Go to Morgan. I don't like all these inside bars because it's looking like a bear flag now. You know, you look like bear flag like this, Habibi. Let's
Yeah,
go.
but we're holding the support.
Yeah, but it's not good.
Only if it breaks below support, you get out.
I'm about to get out now because this consolidation, push down, consolidation, look like a bear flag. Different than, trend bar, inside bar reversal. Get it? So it's like, this is not looking good for an upside move. Because the upside, you want to push down and push back up, right? It's like that trap and recover. You don't want trap and then consolidate because it's like, shorts are building up their position for the next leg down. I don't know. Who knows? I mean, I don't know what's going to happen. If I knew, I would be a millionaire. But what I know is if we break this high on the 5 minute, we trigger a pullback. If we break the low, we trigger a continuation. That's all I know. Okay, so we should be triggering a pullback here. Now, if we reject, I'm going to get out because that's the 5 minute high. That means we're failing. But if we got some juice, we gonna have some juice. No juice and no juice.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Really, bro? See, if that fails, then that 5 minute pullback is gonna, not work. How many more? A minute and 15 seconds, 12 seconds. Mm-hmm. I'm about to get out. Hold on. So this was the 2 minute sell trigger. So we don't want this to play out.
I'm buying longs here.
Let's go. Help me push up.
No, it didn't fill me in.
Help me
Come
push
on,
up.
come on.
Help me go up higher, please. Is this a new 3 minutes and
Okay,
46
I'm in.
seconds?
Come on.
Really, bro?
My chart is not moving.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
I think I'm just
filled.
gonna get out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
out.
Order filled.
I don't like.
Order
I don't like this shit. I'm out.
submitted. Order submitted.
I just gotta.
Order filled.
Oh well, we're green on the day anyway. I'm done because this IPO shit is. I think what's happening here. Because SpaceX IPOs today, so shit's glitchy. So I ain't trying to mess around and find out. So made
Why
back.
did you get out?
I got out on that hour low, that candle hour low. Because if we were to reject, they're gonna reject there. So, and it was like glitchy, and rather take my money and get out. That's actually a nice move too. So I want to see this 4 hour low get taken out first, and then recover. Once that happened, we went long. Made back the first trade loss and dim sum.
Okay, I sold everything.
Let's go. Not bad.
308.
Let's go. Red to green today. Not every trade gonna be a winner.
I entered very risky without confirmation, but I saw it keep holding.
Well, the confirmation was that 4-hour low, break and recover. So from a risk standpoint, that's the least risk to go long is there because your invalidation point is close. You always want to know if you're wrong right away. You don't want to.
It's beautiful.
Nice.
It's beautiful.
See?
I see the VWAP, touched VWAP. I sold everything. Now look at it.
You were looking at VWAP. I was looking at the hour low, but at least you understood that, downtrend. So you're only just capitalizing on that pull move. So in this case, we triggered the sell, and then after that, we triggered above the next candle high, invalidating that sell setup on the 2-minute. But it's a 2-minute chart, so don't really hold much weight to it. But it did trigger a sell and fail. So that's why we got that little momentum push up here. Again, this could be setting up for a 15-minute 1, 2, 3 to the downside. This could trigger back a 15-minute pullback. Who knows? I don't know what's going to happen. Do you see what I'm saying? So
This will trigger to the open print.
yeah. So like right now, 15-minute is pulling back. So if the 2-minute holds its trend, the 15-minute is going to be in an uptrend. You understand?
No, after you exit, it's showing you strength.
It's okay. I'm not.
It knows you.
I'm not trying to capture the bottom or the top. All I want is a slice of the pie with the only thing I could control, which is my risk.
But Karoma, if I enter with $2,000 and I'm making 300 out of 2,000, that's not too much percentage gain, right?
But how much of that 2,000 are you willing to lose? Are you willing to lose?
300.
Okay, so then that's it. If you're telling me you're entering with 2,000 and risking the entire 2,000, then I tell you.
No, I'm not risking the 2,000.
So then you're basically risking 1-to-1. You're risking 300 to make 300.
200 maximum, 250, 300 if I'm late to exit.
Yeah. And then you usually make 300, right? 200.
Yeah.
So that's how you want to be, right?
Shouldn't it be 10-to-1 instead of 1-to-1?
If you can handle 10-to-1, it should be whatever you can handle, right? If you're shooting for a longer or a bigger target, you're going to take more losses. You understand?
There's still one mistake I do, but I will not fix it for the time being, is me having Thinkorswim open on my phone, looking at the numbers, how much I made so far on the contract. This makes me sell out fast.
Well, yeah, and you got to be careful too with options because the premium dies and everything. So that's. But overall, we stuck to the plan. Red to green, 550 on the day. 4-hour was ranging, right? But we recovered nicely from yesterday's low day, so longs were on the table if we can hold that 4-hour low. First trade was a little premature and we did not wait for that, but the second trade, we waited for that and we are happy campers. With that being said, have a good weekend, guys. Gang, gang.